Hello, today you're looking at a Classing Model 2285 drill press brought to you by Lanco. Unit can be wired for 240 or 480 volt. It's currently wired at 480. Does have variable speed here for the spindles. Take another walk around so you can see everything here. Overall dimensions 31 inches long by 46 inches wide by 80 inches tall. It is a 3-phase unit, and turn it on here. Here we go. Very nice heavy-duty machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.